Hi everyone, in this video I will share the key points to consider while creating Revit families to make them flexible, lightweight and project ready. So guys, point 1 is always keep your geometry very simple and always link the parameters with the reference plane instead of geometry. Okay, because when we link the parameters with the geometry and create excess number of geometries, then the parameter will get confused and it shows over constraint. Okay, so this is like point one, and point two is like use parameters very smartly. You need to think about it like which parameter you need to make as instance or type parameter as per your project needs project standards, and this will ease your modeling. Okay, and point third is always use correct family category. Like on this point also you need to think whether this element needs to go to the furniture category, door category, or casework category. You need to divide and distinguish and use the family template as per that. Also, you can change the family category from here. Okay. And point four is like add material parameters. You can add material parameter to this family from here. You can create a parameter for different elements of the family. Material parameters allow flexibility in finishes and help adapt families across multiple design scenarios. Okay, and the point five is you can control the visibility of, like, if you don't want to show this element in the plan, you can turn it off from here, like from here it's already turned off and you can turn off from here, or like front elevation. While after loading it into the project you can see the difference. Okay, and actually this keeps families lightweight and improve project navigation. Point 6 is like maintain naming standards. Okay, this is a very important point to maintain consistency in the project. Use clear parameter names and organized labeling so teams can easily understand and modify the families. Okay, and point 7 is like test before loading. Like you need to test all the parameters of the family before you load it into the project. Okay, and the one and the last point, which is the most important one to keep your project light, is always push the family before loading it into the project. This will make the project lighter and ease your modeling. Okay, smart family creation improve modeling, speed, coordination, and overall BIM efficiency. Thanks for watching, guys.